What I'm going to show you how to do today is get your fog lights, your low beams, your high beams, all to stay on when your vehicle has the brights on. Do you notice anything about my lights that is not factory? It's the stupidest thing ever that Chevy made it to where when you turn on your brights, your fog lights automatically go off and you can't turn them on. So with this mod, it allows you to get the most light possible, because that's usually when you use your brights, when you want the most light possible. So this mod is linked up in the description below. It's super cheap. It's like 20 or 30 bucks and it's really well made, and I'm going to show you how to install it and kind of go over everything that it entails. It's so simple. It takes like a couple minutes. You know, unless you want to ghetto rig it. And I just got this in the mail today. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and how it works. Pop the hood. You'll take this cover off right here. Then we'll turn off the motor. And we'll open up the package. And as you can see, we got this deal right here. It's going to allow us goes right like that, except we got to take off these relays. So we'll do that. Take off this one, or take it out. Take out that one. Take off that one. Take off that one. Hey Kenny, hang on.
I brought you
and then, thank you. We're gonna set this deal in here like this. And then we'll put the first one.
Thanks for reminding me if it was a fake.
Oh, you're welcome. Daddy's filming a video. Hang on. Give me 2 seconds, sweetie.
You wasn't figuring that in the video.
Put that back in.
Daddy, did you know you can wear a tank top out here and go warm? You know Sunday starts spring break?
Yeah, hang on, McKenna. Then we put this one in.
Did you know spring starts on
Shh. McKenna, I'm filming. Hang on 2 seconds. Then we put the cover back on. Now, as you can see, both our lights are on, high and low, and the driving lights. So everything's on now when we turn on our brights. You notice anything about my lights that is not factory? Then we got them on regular. Then we'll turn on the brights. See ya, I love you. And now all our lights are on, so it'll be super bright. So pretty cool little mod. And it is linked up in the description below. You can get it off Amazon. It's really cheap for what it is. Not cheaply made, but I mean like a good deal. dope little mod, linked up below. So go buy it if you got a GM truck or SUV, 99 to 2007. I'm very happy with it. Yeah, I think it's a really nice little upgrade, considering it's definitely a major flaw with GM trucks and SUVs between the years of 1999 and 2007. So that's Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, Chevy Tahoe, Suburban, Avalanche, GMC Yukon, Denali, Cadillac Escalade EXT, regular Escalade, basically fucking GM trucks and SUVs. God damn, they make a lot of different models. But anyway, though, so I hope you enjoy this video. And like I said, this little product that's really sick is linked up in the description below. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm always gonna keep it real with you. There's another way to do this also, and it involves having to go and find a special diode and then kind of, you know, ghetto rigging it under your hood with, you know, a bunch of different wires hanging out and everything else. And, you know, it's not super necessarily difficult to do, but at the same time, you know, for 20 or 30 bucks, you get this that's, you know, 100% professional, all legit. You're not gonna have to have any problems with it later. I mean, it looks like it's factory rather than, you know, a bunch of wires hanging out in your fuse box, which personally I'm not a big fan of. You know, if you don't want to spend the 20 or 30 bucks to do it, you know, that's on you. So hey, whatever works for you works. So let me know what you guys think in the description below. Make sure to like this video and make sure to subscribe. And this is how you put this shit in.